In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a GoToMeeting. Whether you're organizing a virtual hangout or a professional webinar, GoToMeeting offers an intuitive platform to make virtual communication seamless. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step so you can confidently host your own meetings. First things first, you'll need to log in to GoToMeeting. To do this, open your web browser and navigate over to GoToMeeting.com. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. For those who haven't yet created an account, be sure to sign up beforehand. The site walks you through creating an account, which is straightforward and secure. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the central hub for organizing all your meetings. Now, to set up your meeting, look for the option that says either Start a Meeting or Host a Meeting. It's generally located prominently on your dashboard. If you've already scheduled a meeting, you can find it listed here. However, for this guide, we'll focus on starting a new, fresh meeting. Click on the option to start a new meeting. Before you launch into the meeting itself, it's crucial to adjust your settings. Take a moment to decide on your audio options. Do you want to use your computer's audio system, or would you prefer dialing in by phone? This decision could depend on your internet connection or personal preference. Next, check your video settings. Ensure your microphone and camera are working perfectly. It's always a good idea to test them before the meeting begins. Nothing's more frustrating than trying to resolve tech issues with participants waiting. Once you've got your settings squared away and your meeting is live, GoToMeeting will generate a unique meeting link just for you. This is your gateway to connecting with participants. You can easily copy this link and paste it into an email or a chat platform to send it to your attendees. There's also an option to invite participants directly via email right from the GoToMeeting interface, offering a streamlined invitation process. When you notice your participants have joined the virtual space, you're ready to get started. Click on Start Meeting to officially commence the session. As the host, you'll have full control over the meeting's dynamics. You can share your screen if you need to present slides or documents, mute attendees when needed to minimize interruptions, and manage both video and audio settings smoothly to ensure everything operates efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting a GoToMeeting from scratch. As you gain experience, you'll find hosting online meetings becomes second nature. Have a fantastic meeting, and make the most of your virtual interactions.